First to the summer surge of coronavirus as cases and hospitalizations climb, so do concerns about the Delta variant. Good evening, I'm Susan Hirasuna. LA County is reporting more than 3,000 new cases. Hospitalizations rose to nearly 1,100 people. We've been seeing these sharp increases for a few weeks now. Officials say the Delta variant is driving the surge. Some restaurants in LA County are already requiring diners to provide proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test. Jessica O joins us now live from a restaurant in Hollywood that's implementing new requirements for COVID starting tomorrow. Jessica.
Susan, well, unlike a lot of the restaurants that we already told you about, this Italian restaurant will be taking a very unique approach so that they can accommodate customers on both sides of this issue.
So I said, okay, let's create an area where the tables are so spread apart that it's going to help even more.
Italian restaurant L'Antica Pizzeria de Michele just opened this new outdoor lounge area. And starting tomorrow, if you want to eat or hang out here, you will need to prove you tested negative for COVID.
They're still very scared about it.
Owner Francesco Suman says he's heard from a lot of customers who are worried about dining out while the Delta variant is spreading so rapidly. While rules indoors will remain the same, outdoor lounge patrons will now be required to show a negative COVID test result or purchase a rapid test at the restaurant for $12. And this isn't the only business adding their own restrictions. In West Hollywood alone, 20 restaurants are going one step further and requiring customers to prove they've been vaccinated.
I would rather get my phone stolen than my vaccination card gets stolen.
If the vaccination gave us 100% certainty that you are not going to get it and you're not going to spread it, then vaccination would be okay.
Suman says the reason he's not requiring proof of vaccination is because those who have been vaccinated can still get and spread COVID, so he doesn't see the point.
The Delta variant can infect vaccinated individuals, even though it's not as severe.
Dr. Suman Radhakrishna is the director of infectious diseases at Dignity Health. She says the Delta variant spreading at a concerning rate and filling up hospitals, and that restaurants aren't the only ones who need to take this seriously.
You should be worried about it before it becomes really big. Think of it like it's starting to spread. So this is a small leak, which is becoming bigger and bigger on a daily basis.
And if that happens, restaurant owners like Francesco fear what it's going to mean for the future of the hospitality industry.
I think if it continues like this, we're going to get closed down, at least inside.
You don't want to go back to that full shutdown, everything getting paralyzed again.
From vaccine requirements to testing on site, more restaurants are now starting to impose their own rules as cases spike, and officials say we can expect even more businesses will follow.
The mask and the social distancing is not going away, and we all have to be careful.
Throughout LA, not just West Hollywood, there are 33 bars now requiring proof of vaccination. Again, that won't be the case at this Italian restaurant, but they will be requiring a negative test result starting tomorrow, and the owner is really hoping that just goes over well with customers. Reporting live in Hollywood tonight, Jessica O, Fox 11 News.